Okay, let's look at what you just completed on page 593 and make sure you're changing it if you got it wrong. So to get from on number 18, to get from the top to the bottom, you multiply by 5. So in words, you're going to write multiply by 5. Symbols, you're going to write in or 5 in. And then you're going to find the value of the 12th term. So 5 times 12 is 60. And that's all you had to do on that one. Number 19. Describe the relationship between the terms in the sequence 4, 12, 36, 108. And then write the next 3 terms. So we're going to be multiply by 3. And then next 3, we have 108 times 3. So that's 324. Then 324 times 3. That's 972. And 972 times 3. That's 2,916. Now, this table shows the cost of a pizza based on the number of toppings. We are writing the function rule. And as we look at this, we know we can't get one step, so we're looking at this, how to get from here to here, here to here, here to here. And we're adding 2. So this 2 is going to go together with the x. So we have 2x. And if I plug the 1 into x, 2 times 1 is 2. To make 2 into 12, I would have to add 10. Let's make sure it works. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. So this is your rule right here. Down here, determine how the next term in each sequence can be found, and then find the next 2 terms in this sequence. So on this one, we are adding by 3. So we have 13 and then 16. Here, to figure out, it's a little more difficult because it is decimals. So I'm just going to take 5 minus 4.1. I'm borrowing, and I get 0.9. So we're going up by 0.9. So I get 5.9. And then I'm going to add 0.9 to that. And I get 6.8. On this one, I'm going up by 1.5. So I have 7.5. So we're adding 1 and 1/2. I'm going to 7.5 and 9. Down here, I'm finding missing. So to get from 16 to 20, that's 4. And then we add 1/2. So if we added 4.5 to get from there to there, we have to add 4.5 to 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you add that half right in there. Let's see how we got from here to here. So I'm going to subtract 24. And I get 4.7. So I'm going to add 4.7 over here. So we have 13. We get 19.3. Okay, you're going to be getting your worksheet. And I'm going to have the sub pause it so that way when everyone gets their worksheet, you can see what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, so first make sure your name goes on it. And you'll notice that there are 8 problems. These first 4, there's 3 things on each of them that you have to do. You have to use words, symbols, and then you have to find the 10th term. So on each of these, you need to do 1, 2, 3. Each of them are worth 3 points. It is just like the problem on page 593, number 18 that you have to do. Words, symbol, answer. This one we found the 12th. This one you're going to find the 10th term. Down here, all you have to do is write the rule. So you're figuring out how to get from this side to this side. In this case, their variable is x that you have to deal with. And I'll give you a hint. This one's going to start x minus. And then fill it out with the number. That's all you have to do on these ones. So you just write the rule right here in these areas. When you are done, they are going to go into the tray. take your time on it. When you're done, you're reading AR until the bell rings. For STEAM, during STEAM, the first part of STEAM, you will be studying either your vocabulary cards that you made, or you can go on to Quizlet to study vocabulary. After your first part of STEAM, the second part, you're going to be reading AR. Mr. Arthur's class, I know some of you need to be finishing your book report, so that's another good thing you can be doing during AR time. Stay quiet. Do not get out of your seats. Do not throw things.